Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I will explain how to easily find Windows startup and shutdown dates in Event Viewer. This type of manipulation is practical in order to check whether the computer is restarted regularly. Press Windows plus X keyboard shortcut, or right-click on the Start menu. From this power menu, click on Event Viewer. Expand the Windows logs, click on System. Now click on Filter Current Log. In this pop-up window, enter the ID 6005 for start logs, and 6006 for the shutdown. Both IDs should be separated by a comma. Now click on OK. Here you will find all times start and stop logs. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also, give a like please. Take care.